Smart gadgets that are worth buying. In today's world, technology is constantly evolving, and there are so many smart gadgets available that can make our lives easier and more efficient. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to figure out which ones are worth investing in. Shelly Motion Wi-Fi Sensor. Wireless gadgets are great, but changing or recharging their batteries isn't. With the Shelly Motion Wi-Fi sensor, you get a smart home device with a 6,500 mAh battery capacity. And this long-lasting power source gives you more than a year's worth of battery. Powered by Silicon Labs Wi-Fi IoT solutions, this device uses a super low power-consuming Wi-Fi modem. Easy to use, simply connect Shelly Motion to your Wi-Fi network. You don't need a hub at all. Boasting real-time response, this Wi-Fi sensor triggers immediate action in less than 200 milliseconds. Furthermore, this Wi-Fi sensor boasts adjustable sensitivity options. Choose between 256 levels that change the distance and movement range the sensor reacts to. Polaroid P1 Music Player. Carry your music around with you in style with the Polaroid P1 Music Player. Coming in 4 vibrant colors, this portable music player is about the size of an apple. Additionally, the portable size makes it perfect for smaller spaces and intimate gatherings. The speaker stands out because of its simplicity, playfulness, and bold colors. In fact, if you want to make the experience even better, go for dual speakers. You just need to tap them together and wait for the stereo sound to go twofold. There's also a handy carabiner clip you can use to attach this music player on the go. Together with the vibrant colors and the 10-hour playtime, this makes a great speaker you can actually carry anywhere with you. Core Scale Gen 2 Intuitive Smart Scale. Measure the healthier version of you comfortable with the Core Scale Gen 2 Intuitive Smart Scale. Using advanced bioelectric impedance analysis (BIA) technology, it can actually scan your entire body. In fact, it then provides 14 health and fitness metrics to your phone quickly and accurately. These include body weight, bone mass, BMI, body fat, visceral fat, subcutaneous fat, body water, muscle mass, skeletal muscle, protein, metabolic age, fat-free body weight, heart rate, and BMR. Moreover, this device works quickly. All you have to do is step on it. It will deliver the metrics instantly to your phone via the app. If you want to use it with other apps, you can easily do so with Fitbit, Google Fit, Apple Health, and more. HyperMax 60W external battery for iPad. The Apple MagSafe Airline adapter or Magic Box is required in order to use this product with your MacBook. Although this 60W battery will work with the MacBook Pro 15 17-inch, it is not recommended as the MacBook Pro 15 17-inch draws up to 85 W power. Battery physics dictates that a 60W battery is most efficient at providing up to 60 W of power. A 60W battery can still provide 85 W power, but at lesser efficiency, approximately only 70% of a 60W battery capacity will be available to the MacBook Pro 15 17-inch. The remaining battery capacity will still be available to lower power devices like the iPhone. This power limitation affects all batteries with capacities lesser than 85 W and is not specific to the HyperMac. DeckMate entire system is a Swiss Army knife. The DeckMate system allows you to use your Steam Deck exactly how you want to. From using a kickstand to attaching a battery pack to the back, this hot-swappable system makes it incredibly easy to switch mounts and accessories. It's so thin that it won't interfere with the included carrying case, and it includes 2 microSD card slots in the back. It works with your Steam Deck alone, or it can adhere to any case you might have on your deck. It also works with skins. The kickstand is the perfect tension to prop up your deck, with unlimited angle adjustability. The universal puck allows you to mount any accessory you want to the back of your deck. The Visa mount lets you put your Steam Deck on any monitor arm attachment or pole. Finally, the wall mount lets you mount your deck to any flat surface. Razer Basilisk V3 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. Push the boundaries of gaming with the Razer Basilisk V3 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. This mouse comes with a hyper-scroll tilt wheel that free spins until you stop it. Additionally, you can also switch to the tactile mode for more precision and satisfying feedback. In fact, the Razer Synapse will scroll the wheel automatically, shifting from tactile to free spin mode when you scroll faster. There is also the 13-zone chroma lighting with full underflow. You can customize each zone with more than 16.8 million colors and countless lighting effects. This will let you experience greater immersion as they react dynamically with hundreds of chroma-integrated games. The speed you get to enjoy with this mouse is about 25% faster than any other wireless accessory. Streamline your setup and free up a USB port with this jet-fast gaming mouse. Doogee S35 Water-Resistant Smartphone. Get protection from drops, water immersion, and shocks with the Doogee S35 Water-Resistant Smartphone. Featuring a tire-like design, it's drop and water-resistant up to 1.5 meters. Moreover, the Doogee S35 sports a triple camera system with a 13MP sensor that captures effortless shots. In fact, the 2MP depth sensor provides a professional blurred effect. Being one of the cheapest but most efficient rugged Android phones, Doogee's 35 rugged smartphone packs a 4,350 mAh battery, which comes with a 10 fast charging, sufficient enough for a couple of days of normal use with a single full charge when you are outdoor. Made 5.0-inch handheld size, these Doogee's 35 rugged smartphones are hassle-free and convenient to carry in your pocket to do any outdoor activities. Doogee S35 comes with the latest Android 10.0 OS. It can provide a smarter, faster, and more efficient user experience. It supports 4G dual SIM standby and works fine on all UK networks and offers a fast 4G speeds. 12 South AirSnap. Carry your earbuds in style with the 12 South AirSnap for AirPods 3rd Gen protective case. Made entirely of leather, it not only holds your AirPods but also protects them. Furthermore, compatible with 3rd Gen earbuds, it also charges them. Offering a colorful carry option, it also protects your wireless charging case while allowing you to use it. So you don't have to remove the AirSnap to power up your buds. Moreover, you can also charge them via cable without removing the case. It comes with an included S-clip, which you can detach if you wish. This makes it easy to attach to your bag, purse, keys, or anywhere else. Finally, you'll love the adorable nylon wristlet, which provides a third way to keep your AirPods close to you. Big One Armor X Pro Wireless Back Button. Crush the competition with the Big One Armor X Pro Wireless Back Button. With 5 functions altogether, it offers 4 remappable buttons and 3 onboard memory profiles. And it also incorporates a wireless adapter that you can expand for 4-pound consoles. This lightweight gadget weighs only 58 grams, and it has an ergonomic design for comfort. Its 1,300 mAh rechargeable lithium battery ensures you get 10+ hours of playtime. Boasting motion control via Gyrocon Plus assistance, it supports Switch native motion control as well as Xbox and Win 10/11 motion control. Additionally, iOS and Android app real-time customization provides lighting effects, button mapping, and more. Newfie Halo 65 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Speed up typing while doing the most demanding tasks with the Newfie Halo 65 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The design fine-tunes every component, starting from the cap to the coating. This enables efficient typing thanks to the RGB halolet design. Additionally, the wavy ionic column-inspired side also enhances the grip and height of this gadget. It's also available in 2 amazing colors: wear-resistant anodized matte black and electrophoresis-coated ionic white. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.